Hello guys, in the last video we had created a folder, downloaded the image for background. Also we have downloaded the image for social icon. The link which we used was this icon finder one, and in this video lecture, in the part 2 lecture, we will start creating our website. So guys, creating HTML website is not that tough. Even if you are a new to this website technology and you know HTML and CSS, you will definitely able to create a good website, a quality website which you can showcase either to your client if you are a freelancer, or you can mention in your resume, or you can show it on your website as a personal project. So for creating any website, you can use a simple text editor. There are plenty of text editor available. For example, there is Sublime Text. Again, then there are other form of text editor, like if you right click and there is an option for open with, so there is Edit Plus, Notepad, WordPad, or Notepad++. So there are plenty of software available in the market where you can download, or by default the Notepad comes with Windows and you can use the same to edit any HTML or CSS file. But I prefer an open source editor. The name of the editor is Brackets. Okay, the symbol of brackets is, you can see here in the bottom. And why I use this? Because it has built-in server capability. Like whatever HTML and CSS you are making changes, instantly it will be displayed. Let me give you a demo. We have created this website folder. What we will do, we'll drag this. Let's drag this, and what it will do, it will add all the files in the file menu. And if you click on this live preview icon, it's some form of tilt, or what you can say, it looks like a symbol of lightning. You can click on that and automatically it will launch the default browser, mostly Chrome browser, not default I guess, but it will be launching the default browser, and that too, that will be in a default mode, or like no other plugin or etc. whatever is installed on the browser, it will be disabled, and only the blank screen, whatever the website is about, will be displayed. Now closing this window. Let's start. You can resize this to see instant changes, right? So let's create something. Let's give it a name as website demo. You can see that name is automatically appearing here. What you can do is you can add a heading. What I will do is I will divide this. Okay, I'll create a head or div. Let's give this div. Let's create 3 divs. Okay, what we can do, you can give it a class. I'll give it as a head. Similarly, in the second div I can give body. Similarly, in the third I'll give a footer. Now you cannot see anything because no content is there. Let's add some content. This is footer, this is body, this is head. Now guys, notice one thing, that if you visit any website, suppose I click on any website, say, which website should I click? Let's say I click YouTube. So in the website the pages may change, but few things are common. Like if you navigate to any video, this upper search bar will be same in the header part, whereas in the bottom, if you go, you will be seeing a footer, which is common if you visit any page. For example, if I search NCS, it's a non-copyright sounds, it's my favorite channel, you can view it. So what actually happened is the page which was present here is replaced by some another page, but the content, you can see the upper content, it's one and the same header part, and the footer part is a common part. So what actually we can do, we can create one single page, complete page with header, footer. Even if you want to add a social networking icon, you can use that, and based on that page the other content of the body will be changed for other links. I'll show you how to do that, but you should have an idea. Like if you want to create basic website, then what you can do is you can create a common header and common footer. Whatever part you want to keep common in every page, you can make that part first. So we have created a head, there is a body, there is a footer. Let's check time, how much it is. So this video is already reached 6 minutes. Yeah, one more thing guys, if you want to use CSS with your HTML, you have to link that CSS. For linking that, you have to use a link tag, and whatever the location is there, you have to add that CSS and main.css. Until and unless you add the CSS in your HTML file, it will not be useful, and you will not be able to use that CSS in your giving the what you can say, the look to that particular web page. So here what we are doing, we are linking an external style sheet to this HTML page. External style sheet will contain all the styles related to your web page, but they will be segregated or separated in a separate file. If we can add the same in HTML, but it will make our code very unreadable. Okay, so let's go. We can click on the main.css, and what we can do, let's add something for body, maybe aqua. Let's, so everything we can see that, see from in HTML you can see that everything is inside body, right? So whatever present inside the body, it is applying in general to every body element. Okay, so I won't do this for body. If I want to apply something inside the body, suppose body head, so what I will do, I will put an arrow, click on this. So it's not changing, means something is problematic here. See, if nothing is appearing here, maybe there is some problem. So what is the problem, we can trace. Like head is there, but why it's not working? Oh, this is an attribute for class. Okay, so class is generally denoted in CSS using a dot operator. If you save this and again try, oh, it's loading. Just wait for it to load. It's still loading. Let's close this and start again. Yeah, now you can see that the head class has this head with a border of 1 pixel solid. You can create whatever you want. If you want to create dotted, then it will be dotted, but I like solid. I have created this to just to differentiate so that I can easily do coding on that. Okay, if you want for body, keep border thing. Okay, border you can keep again for, you can keep one pixel solid, and let's say this to be green. Okay, again same thing you can do for footer, it will be solid. Let's say this as, let's say this as, what should I keep? Gray. Does that look good? Yeah, we can keep it as yellow, so it will look somehow like this. So what we will do, header part and footer part for all our pages for our website will be common. So we'll make first the header part, then we'll concentrate on footer, then we will go for body. That's it guys, this video is already reached 11 minutes. We'll continue from here in our next lecture.